1. Find an Aadhar enrollment center. Visit the official UIDI website, hdep/uash.gov.in/ and search for the nearest Aadhar enrollment center. You can also use the Locate an Aadhar Center feature to find one close to you. Step 2. Book an appointment, optional but recommended. While some Aadhar centers accept walk-ins, booking an appointment in advance can save time and ensure smoother processing. Book online. Go to the official UIDI website and select Book an Appointment under the Aadhar Enrollment section. Choose a location, time, and date for your visit. Step 3. Gather required documents. You'll need to provide certain documents to prove your identity, address, and date of birth. The common documents required are 1. Identity proof, e.g. passport, voter ID, PAN card. 2. Address proof, e.g. utility bill, bank statement, passport. 3. Date of birth proof, e.g. birth certificate, passport, SSLC certificate. Make sure to carry both original documents and photocopies. The originals will be returned after verification. Step 4. Visit the Aadhar Enrollment Center. On the scheduled date, visit